particularly our elders and our children. And I know that's what the people of Pakistan really, really want and need. And we can do a lot here, I think, to respect and uplift the Pakistani people right here in Chicago because of the strength of the Pakistani community here in our city.
Thank you.
Thank you. Now we need to.
It's a blessing to be here with you.
So thank you so much, Mayor, for your kind words. You know, I know that your group is the largest among the Pakistani community. I want you to work diligently from now on till the election day.
We will.
To work for mayor. You know, we need to re-elect. We have no choice. We have no choice. This is. Let me tell you something. When you know me, I work with Mayor Daley's administration. I work with Rahm Emanuel's administration. I swear to God. I never swear like this before. This is the best mayor I have ever seen. This mayor has done so much for the minorities. You can see right and left, from day one, okay? So we cannot afford any more Rahm Emanuel. Let's put it this way. We need to re-elect this mayor.
Salman, okay? we have 300 votes.
Yeah.
To give it to this thing from my beloved leader from Altaf Hussain from back home.
Okay.
He especially for you. What Pakistani economy situation going on.
Yeah.
So we wrote it down to IMF.
Okay.
So if you can
This is a mayor.
through.
Mayor cannot do anything to IMF.
No problem.
Yeah.
And this is a calendar. This is a calendar for us.
Here, let me.
For 7 years.
Hold on 1 second. Can I say something?
Yes.
Mayor, this group is from the city where the General Musharraf was.
Yes.
So they really are. We all are because the poor soul. May God bless his poor soul. So you want to say a few words about the General Musharraf?
Well, I obviously woke today to the news that General Musharraf had passed away. And I know that he had a profound impact on many, many people in Pakistan during the time that he was the Pakistani leader. And what I pray for in this moment is that peace comes to Pakistan, that the battles that have been fought for way too long, that those get resolved so that the Pakistani people can do what we all want to do, which is live a peaceful life, live a life full of purpose. For those who are followers of the faith, to live out what our God commands us to do. But what we need to focus on is how do
All right.
50th vote.
We have 300 votes. And they
So
listen
please-
to us because they are followers for
So what I request,
So we request.
hold on. What I request is your leaders.
Yeah, we got the message actually.
What I request from your leader, Shams,
Yes.
to make a robocall if you can. You have. I know that I have a list of the 50th ward. I can give it to you, but I know you guys have too.
Yep.
So please make calls and make sure that we do the early voting. Okay.
Yes.
We don't wait till 28th of the February. We go and do early voting. So this mayor is gonna come. We'll celebrate after she wins.
Absolutely.
We'll celebrate here in your office. Okay. That's a promise.
One more thing.
Oh,
I do.
no more thing.
One more thing I do.
When she wins. When she wins.
I registered the vote. I registered 100 votes.
Okay.
Because
Beautiful.
I follow her,
Beautiful.
I registered vote
Beautiful,
myself
beautiful.
because they are new
Let's go
citizens.
back. Yeah.
So we did it.
Okay,
So I'll make sure
thank
early
you.
voting.
That's
I told
great.
my wife
We always-
and everybody
always
we do
should,
early voting.
Can you let
we don't wait for last
Can you
minute.
let your leader speak? What kind of
So,
follower you are?
this
You're
is
the
enough.
He's actually in charge. He's the Chicago in charge of that's why
He's Chicago
he's
in
the
charge.
He's our senior member.
All right. Let's
So
go
please,
there.
can you give it to him? Give it to her, please. This is a calendar, yearly calendar. Thank you.
All right, let's go.
Salman is a one-man show. He's a one-man show. He don't need anybody.
You can sit. Excuse me.
आप सब लोग आ जाए
एक मिनट, खुर्रम भाई, सोहेल भाई, बाबर भाई,
सब लोग चले जाए ग्रुप पिक्चर के लिए फिर उसके बाद पिक्चर
ओके।
अल्ताफ रहनुमा है
अल्ताफ रहनुमा है, दिल पर लिखा हुआ है, अल्ताफ रहनुमा है, जिए अल्ताफ, जिए अल्ताफ, जिए अल्ताफ रहनुमा है। ये रूह की सदा है, अल्ताफ रहनुमा है, दिल पर लिखा हुआ है, अल्ताफ रहनुमा है, जिए अल्ताफ, जिए अल्ताफ, जिए अल्ताफ रहनुमा है। कांटों पे चल के पहले एक रास्ता बनाया, मंजिल का ख्वाब उसने फिर कौम को दिखाया। कांटों पे चल के पहले एक रास्ता बनाया, मंजिल का ख्वाब उसने फिर कौम को दिखाया, मंजिल का ख्वाब उसने फिर कौम को दिखाया, फिर कौम को दिखाया, फिर कौम को दिखाया। अब शोर ये उठा है, अल्ताफ रहनुमा है, अब शोर ये उठा है, अल्ताफ रहनुमा है, दिल पर